If you don't like complex software but still want professional videos, then AI tools are your new best friends. First, figure out what kind of video you need. Are you looking for animated explainers or lifelike deepfakes? For animations, try Animaker, Powtoon or Vyond. They're easy to use and highly customizable. For AI-generated avatars, check out Synthesia or Pictory. Want a deepfake? DeepBrain and other apps have you covered. Artistic flair, go for deepart.io or Artisto for creative filters. Next, gather your assets, scripts, images and audio. Input your text into the AI tool and customize away. Whether you're animating characters in Animaker or using AI avatars in Synthesia, the process is straightforward. Once your video is generated, review and refine it. Use built-in editing features or external software like Adobe Premiere Pro for advanced tweaks. Finally, export and share your masterpiece on YouTube or social media. AI video tools make video creation a breeze. With the right tools and preparation, you'll be crafting high-quality, engaging videos in no time.